Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofri. So in today's video, I have decided to do 5 things that you should do if you're thinking to do online jobs, or 5 things that you should have done, because I know many people are now working online. I've gotten so many questions, people asking me, okay, well, what should I do here? What should I do? They asking me every day, and I'm like, let me create a video so that it can address like what you should do if you're thinking to do online jobs. And those people who watch me and they come to my DMs, my WhatsApp, thank you for your questions. I appreciate. Continue. We are here to teach you or to learn. Everyone is here to learn. So continue asking those questions. So if you're planning to work online, or if you're planning to log in any sites and start working, make sure you watch this video and share it to anyone who may be interested. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let me get into the video. So the first thing that you need to do if you're planning to work online is put your information in order. What do I mean by this? You need to create a brand new email, because in online people are working with emails. You're getting, that's why you get your job posted, that's why you get everything, like communications from any site that you visit. You get communications through your email. So please kindly create a new email. Don't use an old email of like 5 years, like you even forgot the password. And to create an email is free. So guys, the first thing is to create an email, and this is something that I should warn you even before you go creating your email. Don't use nicknames. If you're called Jane, Wamboy, don't try to say Jane Bobo something. Don't put I know that one. Don't put nicknames here. Don't put nickname, because if you put nickname and maybe the site wants an official email, you'll be forced to create an official email. Create an email with your official names, guys. Create an email with your official names. And if the names have like sometimes when you go to Gmail and you want to create an email, it says not available, but it can give you an option of putting numbers. Even if your name is Jane Wamboy, then you're told to put like 570. It's better to have Jane Wamboy 570 at Gmail rather than Jane Bobo or something. If you send this nickname to a company that is serious, they may think that you're a joker. So the first thing is create a brand new email and dedicate this email for online jobs. Don't again post this email on any site that you find. This email is to receive all the information from the online jobs, and maybe to give the whoever the site that is giving this job or they are offering. If a site asks for an email, this is the particular email you're putting to get the job. So the first thing is make your information in order, and then create an email using your official names. That's the first thing. The second thing, guys, that I need to talk about is payment method. Guys, if you have decided to do online jobs, you need to put in mind that there are something called payment method. At the end of the day, this company will want to pay you for the job that you have done. So I find people coming to ask, why do I have to get a PayPal? Why do I have to get this? Kindly, if you want to work online, first of all, you should have a PayPal account. I'm not saying every job accept PayPal, but PayPal is the most popular. And most sites that I have seen, they accept PayPal. And most, they don't even accept any other payment method. So today, if you're watching this video and you don't have a PayPal account, my friend, go create a PayPal account. It's very easy. Go to paypal.com, sign up, click sign up, put on your details, and then create a PayPal account. Again, don't use nicknames. Use your official names. If you're in Kenya and you use nicknames, the names that are not in your ID, you'll not be able to link your PayPal with M-Pesa. And that's why I'm saying kindly use your real names that are in your ID when creating payment method. Another payment method that I can suggest is Transferwise. If you've never heard of Transferwise, now you know there's a payment method that is called Transferwise. You can receive money and you can also send money. Kindly go to transferwise.com. I will leave a link of Transferwise. I have a link. Click the link, go and create a Transferwise account. This is important because I have interacted with so many sites up to now, and most of the sites are asking a Transferwise account. So what happens if you create both accounts, PayPal and Transferwise? Your email, put the email that you created for the online jobs. Don't again put the email for the old one. Are you getting the email that you created? You have created a new email. Now you want to create payment method. Use the same email. Don't like mix everything together, because you want to be organized when you are working online. So make sure you have those two payment methods, PayPal account and Transferwise account. The third thing, if you want to work online, if you're planning to work online, don't be ignorant about cryptocurrency. I will emphasize on this. Don't be ignorant. Even if you don't know about cryptocurrency, don't be ignorant. There's so many information on the social platforms like YouTube, Facebook. There are Facebook groups where people are taught about cryptocurrency. There are Facebook pages that you can follow and learn about cryptocurrency. I have tried to even teach on this channel the beginner friendly, like how to have a wallet or all those things, how to buy bitcoins, how to buy Ethereum. I've really tried to show you guys. Don't be ignorant. Don't be ignorant about cryptocurrency. Where we are heading, everyone who is working online needs the knowledge. You need the knowledge about the cryptocurrency. And if you are ignorant, sometimes you'll get a job that is demanding to pay you in crypto. They will demand to pay you maybe in Bitcoin, maybe in Ethereum, and maybe you don't have a clue. You will waste a lot of time, and maybe you can even lose the money, because if you make a mistake when it comes to cryptocurrency, it is irreversible. You cannot reverse the transaction. So if you make a small mistake, it can cost you so much. So if you're planning, this is my message, if you're planning to work online, kindly do a research about cryptocurrency. The first thing, what do you need? You need a wallet. Guys, I know it can sound like it is how can I say, it may sound like it is difficult, but this is the truth of the matter, that's where we are heading. You need a crypto wallet, and I can suggest for a beginner you can try Trust Wallet or blockchain wallet. You need those two wallets, and then you need a wallet for Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are the largest cryptocurrency in the world. So you need at least two wallets for holding your Bitcoins and holding your Ethereum. If you want to learn more, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. Say, I want to learn more about cryptocurrency, and ask your question. Maybe I can create a video around your question. So guys, you really need to know about cryptocurrency. Don't ignore. When it comes online, you never know what to expect. So you need at least to have the whole information on what you want or what you can find on the way. And cryptocurrency must be at your fingertips. The fourth thing that you need to know before even you start online jobs or online whatever, working online, is have a clear mind. What do I want? Online is very huge. You cannot do anything. Sometimes I try to fix some things, some training, but I have held the trainings because I don't want to share so much information and I lose some people on the way. Online has a huge part of information, or part of categories of jobs that they are specified for specific people. So before even you start working online, ask yourself, what do I want to do? These are examples. You can either work online by doing surveys. There are sites that you can go. Your work is to do surveys. It's called micro jobs. Let me say that. Micro jobs is when you do just simple jobs that are taking 2 to 5 10 minutes, maybe if it goes so much 30 minutes. They are called micro jobs. And what are micro jobs? Surveys, watching videos online and getting paid, clicking on adverts, doing simple sign-ups. All those are micro jobs. They are jobs that the client asks the whoever you now to do, and then submit, and you get paid. And you'll get paid around from cents to maybe $5 if you're paid a lot. Then there is other jobs that need your attention. What kind of online jobs that are there? There is forex trading, there is cryptocurrency trading, there is so much. There is forex, cryptocurrency trading, and there is even freelancing, there is transcription. These are now complex. If you want to work online, you have to start from the micro jobs. There is no way you have never done online jobs and you want now to start come in and do forex. Maybe you can do that, but you have to familiarize yourself with how things work. Then now you can decide, do I want to do forex? Do I want to do cryptocurrency trading? Do I want to do freelancing where I write for people? Do I want to do transcription? Do I want to do audio for people? You getting? Get an idea what you want to do. If you have a clear mind, if you want to do forex trading, there's a way that you will go there. If you want cryptocurrency, start doing jobs that are paying in crypto. So if you have a clear mind of what you want to do online, it will be easy for you. The final thing, avoiding scam. Kindly, if you want to work online, you need to have that sharp mind to know where there is a scam, where the site is legit, where I'm asking, where there are red flags. I think I can create a video about all avoiding scams online, because it is really frustrating. First of all, first thing that I will tell you to pay attention. If a site claims to pay you more than $200 by just watching YouTube videos, that sounds scam. It's scam. Don't give your time. If maybe a website saying, come in, sign up and you earn $200 worth of Bitcoin, that sounds scam. It's scam. So don't waste your time. Then on your new email, after you start doing online jobs and signing up different sites, there are people who will take your email and they'll start sending you emails trying to pretend they are companies, they're offering this, they're offering things. Don't click on emails that you don't know, on links that you don't know. These are people who hack people. So as much as online is good, on the other side it can be dangerous. So you need to be ready for everything. And the other thing that I can tell you is that protect your details. Don't put all the bank details in every site that you find. Pay attention, do a research and all these things, and maybe you'll not come in contact with a scam attempt. So guys, that was it. Was this video helpful? If it was helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't watch me and fail to subscribe to my channel. I'm here to teach people how to make money online, business growth and network marketing. And if you subscribe to my channel and like this video, you will help my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you have learned something. If you have, comment down below. Let me know what you had stood out for you. What were you not doing, or what will you go to do? So guys, until next time, bye bye. Love you.